Today I'm going to show you how I make $1 Million tamale pie. This is going to be good. So I'm going to make an easy, quick version of this. Here I have rotisserie chicken. I'm going to use 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix, a can of Rotel, a can of cream of chicken condensed soup. I'm also going to add taco seasoning. Use the mix that you like. I have a softened block of cream cheese, 8 ounces, and I'll be using around 12 ounces of shredded mild cheddar. Okay, so I've shredded the chicken and I removed it from the bones, and I've also removed the skin. So now I'm going to put together the chicken saucy tamale pie mixture. Here I'm taking my softened cream cheese going into the large bowl. I'm also going to add my can of condensed soup. Here I'm going to add the taco seasoning. By the way, I have other variations of tamale pie, more that are from scratch, and different types of like cornbread that go with it. I'll link them below. Now I'm going to add my Rotel chilies, and I'm going to give this a good mix. Now for the chicken, and rotisserie chicken is already seasoned and salted, but you could add extra seasoning if you prefer. I'm going to combine that as well. Now I'm going to add 8 ounces of shredded cheese. Give that a good mix. And this is the creamy chicken mixture. Okay, so I'm using boxed Jiffy mix. You can make scratch-made cornbread if you prefer. I started with 1 box, 1 large egg, and I'm pretty much just following the instructions from the box. And as I started to mix it, I realized I need to add another box. So for the measurements, it's 2 boxes of Jiffy muffin mix, 2 large eggs, and about 3/4 of a cup of whole milk, or until the corn muffin mix comes together. So I'm going to use a large cast iron skillet that I've already added butter to, and I'm going to pour in the cornbread mix. Sometimes I like to add cheddar and pickled jalapenos into the mix of the cornbread, but I'm just going to go with plain cornbread today. Now I'm going to add all of that chicken mixture. Now you could divide the cornbread, pour half on the bottom, the chicken mixture, and then pour the rest of the cornbread on top. I'm kind of going for easy today, so I'm just going to spoon in the chicken and see what happens. So now I'm going to add the rest of my shredded cheddar cheese. It's another 4 ounces that I'm adding, or it's really up to you. And I'm just going to place it all on top of this cornbread and chicken mixture. So I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until it's cooked. And then when it's done, it's going to look like this. Nice and golden brown on the top, the cheese is melty and crusty, the cornbread is cooked through, and that chicken mixture should be nice and saucy. So now that it's out of the oven, I am going to garnish. You can garnish how you like. I'm using some chopped scallions. You could do parsley. You can add some pickled jalapenos on top. It's so good. So once I have this garnished, it's time to serve. So this is a great like one pan meal. You can serve it with sides of your choice, maybe some Mexican style rice. I don't know. I love to do like charro beans sometimes on the side. But for today, we're just going with the $1 Million tamale pie. And the reason I call it that is because the filling with the chicken, it kind of follows that like $1 Million chicken bake sometimes that people do with like Ritz crackers. That's the only reason it's $1 million. But really, it's just a chicken tamale pie that's kind of creamy in the center. Super good. So I like to add my crema and some more scallions, and it's time to dig in. I have a more scratch-made cornbread ground beef tamale pie. I will link that in the description below. That one is so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.